Hello and welcome to Simply Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIYs, and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy, and strong. Coming up in today's video, I talk you through my moisturizing routine for my mini braids on my type 4 natural hair that I'm using to grow my hair long, healthy, and strong. So come on, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Welcome or welcome back to Simply Shev. If you're new around here, welcome. If you've been with me a while, welcome or welcome back. So going straight into the video, moisturizing my mini braids helped me to grow my natural hair long, healthy and strong, because as I said to you, one of my main goals this year is to get healthier hair. I've told you all that where I can in my regimen, I will be implementing a lot more use of water. And so for these mini braids, the first thing I do when it's time to moisturize them is to spray water on my hair, focusing particularly on the ends. You can catch me installing these mini braids in my 2 previous videos, so do go ahead and check those out on my channel. So my braids have been in for about 6 days and they have not been moisturized in that time. So it's not too dry because my hair was deep conditioned before installing these braids. But I go ahead and I put the water in my hair, squeezing it or scrunching the water in, as you can see me doing with my hands. Now, a spray bottle with water or infused Aveda mixes is a must if you're trying to grow your natural hair. It's one of the most important tools that you need in your stash. Once I'm happy with the amount of water, now don't put too much water on your mini braids. They will start to shrink and probably frizz, and that's why I'm using the sort of scrunching technique so I don't frizz my hair. I then go ahead and use my Aunt Jackie's curl maintenance, which I reviewed on my channel, so go ahead and check that video out, and it's my current leave-in. I take just a small amount of this product. Now a little goes a long way with this leave-in. Now you will know your own leave-in and know how much you need. Once again, with the prior hands, I go and I clasp my hair together and I scrunch it in. I'm trying not to rub my hair together as my hair will frizz, and these mini braids, I'm hoping they will last at least 4 to 6 weeks. Now I go ahead and I make sure that the prior hands go all the way down, focusing on the ends and also on the length of my hair. Now this video is part of the hair growth challenge, so do go ahead and subscribe if you've not done so that you can join in the challenge. I'm on a journey to grow my hair to waist length, and I know plenty of others have got their own goals. I've also got how to grow your natural hair in 2022 playlist. Check that out, and also how to set goals for your natural hair, and you will be able to write down your goals and be able to meet your goals along with all of us ladies on this channel. Just a quick shout out to those who already joined the challenge: Shani, Juril, Thalita, Jay Blake, and also myself. And anyone that want to sign up, it's not too late. Sign up under any one of the challenge videos. Once again, we moisturize our hair so that it doesn't get brittle, so it doesn't break. It's important to maintain the moisture protein balance. I've got lots of treatment, lots of DIY treatments on my channel, so do go ahead and check out my DIY playlist of the treatments that I'll be showing you that I use, my DIY treatments, as well as these other products that I use on my type 4 natural hair to grow it long, healthy and strong. I will be styling these mini braids in a variety of styles, so do look out for that video next. Now after I've put those products on, I make sure I go through each braid or just run my hand through each braid to make sure that my hair is moisturized. I don't need it to get too saturated and wet. These products are great at what they do. The water and the Aunt Jackie's product is enough to get a lot of moisture in my hair. Over the coming weeks, I'll be sealing my hair with plenty of things, and this is one of my favorite, my Jamaican black castor oil, actually from Jamaica. And I use this. I don't use too much because once again, a little goes a long way, and you can see the amount there in my hands. I then go ahead and I rub that together and I scrunch it into my ends. Now, you don't want to put too much castor oil on your scalp if you've got sensitive scalp like myself, because you might get dandruff, but it's fantastic for your ends because it thickens your hair. Now I've got plenty of videos on my channel detailing the benefits of castor oil for your hair. Once again, the main benefit here is to thicken my hair. You know that I've incurred some damage if you've been watching my channel a while, and I'm trying to grow back my hair out longer and thicker and stronger, and castor oil is a great part of that. So I strongly recommend that you have this in your stash if you're trying to thicken your hair. I also recommend that you watch my new starter list where I detail all the things that I use in my hair in terms of tools, and I make some product suggestions as well. Now this video will be part of the mini braids playlist, so do go ahead and check out that playlist as well as all the other playlists on my channel. I've made so many videos now on how to grow your natural hair, so after you finish watching this one, go and check out the mini braids playlist where I've got an older video on mini braids, a very detailed Q&A that I think you'll find beneficial if you've got mini braids on your hair at the moment. You could always seal in these braids with grease or olive oil or any other oil. So after I've put all of those products on my hair and I'm happy with the amount of moisture in my hair, and also I've sealed my hair to an appropriate level, I then go ahead and I put my hair in a bun. I've told you that my hair wasn't installed, so neatly because I know I'll be wearing it in a bun, primarily working from home and all of that stuff. Just a simple bun for the school run. So I go ahead and I put a bun in. Now, not all the products rubbed in, and that's absolutely fine. I'll be wearing a scarf at times and it will all go in fine. So that is it, my moisture routine on my mini braids to maintain my hair, to grow it long, healthy and strong. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, do go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you've not done so, leave me a comment down below and let me know how you're getting on. I'm so pleased to hear from all of you. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.